Hello, welcome back to my channel. God bless you in Jesus' name. I remember myself, the great Johnsonkeyz. All right, so today I want to show you a very nice 736 chord voicing in the key of F. So we're going to use this song. I like this song a lot. If you've been following me from 2015, you'll be able to tell that there's this one song I like using. And that's Has the deep vantage for. So I love that song a lot. The water so my soul after the Bible. All right, so let me show you some of the some nice chord voices you can use on this song. So we're in the key of F. That's the first thing to note. The second thing to note is that this song has a chord progression that goes after your 1 E. It has a chord progression that goes as the 7 3 6 2 5 1 4 4. Right, so he has that. So I'm going to show you those chords, and they go for a lot of other songs. There are so many other songs. For you are great, you do miracles so great. There is no one else like you. Same chord progression. So it's a very popular one. All right, so now let's get to the keys and see what we have. So for your one chord, you can always play what you learned the first time you were learning the key of C. All right, so that is settled. So now let's move to 7. So for 7, your 7, you can do this chord. So I'll call the notes out. So we have E, B, and D on the left. So E, B, D on the left. You can watch that again. B flat, D, F, G flat, and A. So this is a B flat major 7 sharp 5 chord. So right, So so your 7 3. So on our 3 we have A, E, and G on the left. On the right we have a C sharp major 7, C sharp augmented major 7 chord. Right, C sharp augmented major 7 chord. So that's a C sharp, F, A, and then C. So that's our 3 chord. So you can, I always advise that you write. So this is not a movie, so you make sure you are writing so that you can always go over it. Yeah, you will not just sing by watching and then it's sticking. No, you have to write. You write, and then you practice after. All right, so 7 3, then 6. So you can do a minor 11 chord voicing that we used to call steroids back in the days. You can use that on your 6, which is in the key of F. Now we have a D, A, and E on the left. So on the right we have a F, C, E, and G. So has the D and 6. Right. So let's go to our 2 chord. So the 2 chord we have on the 2 chord we have G, D, and F on the left hand. On the right hand, we have B, E, and A. So that's a quarter voicing. So on the left, one more time, we have a G, D, F on the left. On the right, you have a B, E, A. So then, for our 5 chord, on your left hand, just play C and G on the left. On the right, play B flat, E flat, G, and B flat. So for your 5 chord, then to your 1. So this is like a tension chord, then you release it with your 1 chord. So on the 1 chord, we have F and B, E flat on the left hand. So on the right hand, we have D major, just D major chord. So that's A, D, F sharp, and A. So then to your 4 chord, which is on the left, you have a B flat, F, B flat. On the right, you have a D, F, A, C. So together, has the deep vantage for the water so my soul. All right, so to learn more, you should check the comment section for the link to get my intermediate piano course, where you learn a lot of stuff, even more than this. And then the link is on the About section of the page. You can also chat me up on WhatsApp if you are not getting it. All right, God bless you. Thank you so much. Bye.